Hello, welcome back to the channel YouTube. Today we're going to be doing some cosmetic fun testing on our car. We've got the PRL Titanium Inlet pipe right here, and what we're going to try to do is burn it to match the Chasin J's coil pack cover. Now, I've never burned titanium before. I don't know how to do it. This is purely a video on seeing the results and learning from it. So if it goes well, you'll see, and if it doesn't go well, you'll also see the fail too. So to get started, we're gonna go ahead and disassemble most of the intake and take the charge pipe off. All right, time to disassemble everything. We're gonna remove our intake box here and get to the pipe. Okay, now that we've got the pipe off here, you can see where our turbo blanket has kind of burned our inlet pipe here. But what we're gonna do is clean everything up, and then once we got things cleaned up, our goal is to get this middle section here blue and leave the rest on the outside bare titanium. But let's go ahead and get to cleaning the pipe up. Alright, first thing we're gonna do is to try to see if we can fix up this burn mark that we have on the inlet pipe. You know, if we can't, that's okay, it's on the bottom, no one's gonna see it anyways, but if we can get this fixed up with some compound, then great. If not, that's fine. Again, I don't know how to really take care of titanium properly, so this is just an experiment and learning procedure. Don't take this guide, or don't take this video as a full guide to do everything. It helped a little bit, but I don't think we can get it completely off. It seems like it's more or less burned into the pipe, which is fine. Again, it's on the bottom, so it doesn't really matter. So let's go ahead and clean this up with some isopropyl alcohol and get this all nice and clean for the burning. Okay, so our inlet pipe is clean, and the way we're gonna burn it is by using this MAP gas torch here. And basically what we're gonna do is kind of heat up one area at a time, going back and forth like that. And then since we're aiming for that blue finish, with titanium things will turn bronze first before they go to that blue and purple. You want to back off once it's basically a little bit past the bronze, because if you go past the blue, it turns into, I think, a more polished finish that you can't really get back from. So my recommendation is just kind of like test it out on an area that you don't care. So I'm gonna test it down here where the burn marks are and you can't really see it. So let's go ahead and get started and see how this turns out. Let's try it out. I think there might be a little bit of oil on the inside, so let's actually clean the inside as well, make sure we don't burn oil. We can definitely smell something burning. Okay, round two, let's try that again. here's a test pass. You can see it basically almost turned bronze and then blue right away. So as soon as it turns bronze, you almost kind of want to back off a little bit. So you can see it kind of got into a dark purple, which I don't mind, but again, this is on the bottom. This is a test pass, so we're gonna try this again. So you can see right here in the center where we kind of overheated it a little bit, and now it's turning back into a silver. So that's an example of what you don't want to do, where you have the torch on one spot for too long and it turns a bit white. But we got some of the blue we want. So now we have an idea of what to do, how long to hold it on there for. So we're gonna kind of go around the rest of the pipe and wrap it up and see how it turns out. So set you guys down, you'll watch the whole process. Here's the finished product. It's not the greatest, I'm not gonna lie, but you know what? Never have done it before, and I kinda achieved the goal that I wanted, where I wanted the centerpiece a little bit blue to match everything, so we kinda got that done. But there are definitely some spots where I overburned and it turned white again, but I think it adds to it with some of the blue and purple that we got, so not too bad, I guess, for our first time trying to burn something without really any practice or experience. So let's go ahead and reassemble it and take a final look at the engine bay with everything in. Oh, look at that, it's starting to rain. Lord knows we could use a little bit of rain with all this pollen on the damn car. I swear I washed the car last night and it's just green all over again. Spring season sucks for car shows because of all this pollen, so yeah, it sucks, but almost done reassembling, so let's go ahead and show you guys the final product. Okay, here it is, matching our new valve cover and coil cover. Everything is back on, so yeah, overall I would say today was mostly successful. If you found this little experiment video today to be fun, hit that like and subscribe button. But yeah, that's about it. Check out the past couple of videos where we did the valve cover and went to HPD. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. I'll try to answer them. But that's going to be it for today. Follow my Instagram @QMedia, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.